Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for another YouTube top tip. And today's top tip is how to subscribe to a channel and how to get notifications. So many times I ask you to subscribe to my channel or other people's channel. The reason for that is it just helps with YouTube. If a channel has more subscribers, it helps YouTube to know that more people want to watch it, and it shares our content across the platform for us. And it's very, very helpful especially if you're making YouTube a living. So you don't get paid for subscriptions, but it sure helps to spread your channel around. So let me show you how to subscribe by subscribing to my chum's channel. This is Gareth's channel, and I went and unsubscribed this morning just for this video. So what you'll do, pick out a channel you want to subscribe to, anyone you watch a video. I'm going to go to Create at Home. Oops, if I can spell with G, there he is right there. So I'm going to click on this one. And when I get to his channel, see this big red button that says subscribe? I don't want to click it right here. You can, but I don't want to. I want to show you more specific. So I'm going to click on his channel in particular. And then I'm going to come over here and click subscribe. Anytime you see that red button, you can subscribe. Now, one thing that is confusing, if you're new to YouTube, there is no charge to subscribe to YouTube channels. Now, if they have a membership, there would be a charge, but this channel just has a subscription. So you can just click on subscribe. And when I do you notice that I get this bell to the side? You've probably heard people say ring the bell. Check this out. Click on the bell, and it's going to ask you, what notifications do you want? Do you want all notifications? Meaning every time this channel uploads something, do you want to get a notification? Do you want to get personalized notifications where you can set them up yourself? Or do you want no notifications? Now, certainly don't pick no, because you do want to know when we're uploading. So I'm going to click on all. And the reason I want all notifications is I want to know every time he uploads a video. I want to know every time he goes live. I want to know every time he makes a post on his community tab. I want to know every time something new comes up on this channel. Now, I will tell you, YouTube has actually said that they decide what they send out where. So even if you click this button, you may not get everything. But my fear is if I don't ask for everything, I won't get much at all. So I make sure, for me, I put all notifications. You can go in and set up personalization, and we may do that on another top tip to show you how you can set up to get email or text or what have you notifications. But I just set all, and that way I'll at least get an email to let me know that he has uploaded something new, and I think that is a bonus. All right, guys, that's how you subscribe. It's that easy. I also want to mention, I'm going to take a moment to say this. When Gareth gets to 10,000 subscribers, I'm doing a $100 gift card giveaway to my store. So be sure to subscribe to Gareth's channel, and let's get him the last few he needs to get to 10,000 subscribers. Hey, thanks so much for watching this top tip. Until next time, have a great one. Bye-bye.